Hello everyone, my name is Jack. You may know me for things such as this. But I'm also involved in the rail preservation scene and do things like these.
So I think that'll be good for see how that goes a little bit.
1225, you like this one?
Yeah.
Yep, diesels are better. A little bit. Steam's more fun, but diesel's a lot easier.
During the course of the 2024 season at the Saginaw Railway Museum, I had the great privilege of helping with some minor cosmetic upkeep and washing of the museum's Pure Marquette Railway caboose, A977. After that was accomplished, an idea sparked into my head. Let's tackle the ALCo. Built by the American Locomotive Company as an RS-1 type road switcher in March of 1951 for the Rutland Railroad, this engine served as their number 401. She had a relatively short service career on its home road before being sent to the Vermont Railway in the early 1960s, keeping its same road number. There, she had an even shorter service career before being sold to the Consumers Power Company in Michigan in 1967, being used as a coal plant switcher at their Essexville, Michigan plant. In 2002, Consumers retired it and donated it to the museum the following year. After many years of sitting out in the elements, it goes without saying that 401 was long overdue to receive some TLC. And with the background established, let's jump back a bit to September and October of 2024.
Alright, so today, she's getting it. Yeah, well, I mean, it already looks a million times nicer, even just going over it once and done. But
this old girl is well overdue for her bath. We think it's been just off of a guest vent, well into probably Vermont Railway days. They might have saved her when she worked for Consumers, but I don't know, and we kind of doubt that just because how grimy it is right now. Even though, yeah, it has been sitting for over 20 years. Actually, not over, just about 20 years, so, but long overdue, and I'd say the nose is almost done. I got this door up top out here, there, and then I'm on the cab door, so almost.
alright, so another periodic pause in the time lapse. The second door is almost done. And I just gotta finish wiping it off, and then I can get above it. And I apologize, this isn't the greatest camera work ever, but that's what happens when you don't have a professional camera crew. So, finish wiping up here. And that's that door done. So 2 down, and then I just got to get here, there, and the cab door, and then the nose will be done. Huge. All right, so I just finished the main, like the nose section, and I just got to do what's on the cab door. Then we're set. That's the nose done. All right. And just like that, it's just clean for the most part. I mean, it's the best a one-person crew can do. So that just needs to set and dry a little bit. Yeah.
After the work on the nose had finished up, I took it upon myself to do some work on the journal lids on the trucks. I didn't film any of this, unfortunately, but basically the process involved wire brushing and scraping all of the rust and gunk collected on the lids over time, and getting it down as best I could to the bare metal. and then painting. And that's going to do it for part 1. Part 2 will be coming out as soon as work starts again. We're in the off season at the museum, so there's not much work to be done. But trust me, there's a lot of work going to happen this year, so part 2 is going to be a good one. Linked in the description of this video is going to be the Facebook page for the museum and the Instagram page for the museum. Please check them out. Please follow and like, and just so you can get updates on stuff going on around the museum. Just trust me, 2025, there's going to be a lot going on. So, as always, I hope you all enjoyed and have fun and stay safe out there, y'all. Jack out.